This is my pleasure to welcome you in this session and introduce us an international law paper wherein I will introduce you about the international law in depth, which shall be beneficial to understand this law extensively and will be helpful for your competitive examinations which you are going to face, as well as to understand the international law in the present scenario. Now, let us find the contents herewith I am presenting you before. The first is the nature of international law. Second is sources of international law. And third is the subject of international law. And last one is scope of international law. As you know that this is the very dynamic law and it is much related to one country to another, and the member concerned countries are much more related and integrated with this international law as binding on them as per their purposes. With respect to, it may be with respect to human rights, it may be with respect to sovereignty of their existence, it may be related to the international trade and the sea-oriented trade orientation and seas laws is applicable territorially to all countries where to curb the international conflict over the sea areas. So there are so many various reasons for which the treaties are performed between sovereign countries and the countries and the states who are not even the sovereign are fighting for their existence. So there are so many understanding and aspects of the international law which I'm going to present it here with you. So let us find in the further slide.